You are watching Kit Cabinet, and this is the inbox review of the AZ model Spitfire Tr.9 in 1/72 scale. Okay, now here's a nice rare subject, a two-seat Spitfire by AZ model. And this promises to be a very nice kit. The AZ Spitfires are very good models. We'll have a look inside in a sec. Plastic parts made using metal molds, so they're getting their stuff together. This is a company that makes short run kits normally, but the quality is getting better and better all the time. They're using better molds. They're not like large industrial molds, but the quality and the detail of these kits is getting very, very good. Let's have a quick look. Okay, so here we have all the parts, all the sprues together, and it's looking very good, very promising. These sprues are like the basic Mark 9 kit, and there's an extra sprue for the two-seat version, so you could still theoretically build like a regular Mark 9 from this, but this is the sprue for the two-seater. Well, let's have a closer look here. Yep. Very nice engraved panel line detail. So this looks very good. Interior detail for the second cockpit for the instructor position is also included. And of course, two canopies, because it's a two-seater. There is some distortion, not too bad, but there's still some distortion. And the canopies are acceptably thin enough, looking okay. But you can't mount them in an open position, unfortunately. Now this is the main sprue, one of the main sprues of the kit. It's just their standard Mark 9. And yeah, very nicely, very finely detailed. You get different options. The wings are included are the clipped wing variant, but you can add like the normal wingtips, the armament cannon bulges, which you wouldn't be needing for the two-seater, of course, but they are included because this is like their general sprue. The lower wing, the prop. Several different styles of rudder. A pointy one, yeah. A regular one here. And elevators. Here's the ones with the horns at an angle. Here's the one with the elevator horns, the straight elevator horns. And the rest of the detail of the cockpit it's very nice, very finely detailed, looking very good. The instructions with the sprue map, the regular fuselage parts crossed out, of course. And for this version you would apparently be using the straight tail horns and the pointy rudder. Decals. Yeah, the build looks pretty straightforward. Yeah. Stencil map. It has a truckload of stencils. The decal sheet. Looking very good. Everything is nicely in register for an Irish version and the Dutch version, of course. Yeah. The paint schemes on the back of the box. Yeah, the Dutch version, of course. The Irish trainer version. And another civilian version. Schneider Aero contractor. Never heard of them. In an all orange. Yeah, well, that's a bit too Dutch even for me. Sorry. So, if you're looking for a good Spitfire kit with a difference, well, there's your model.